A gray wolf couple, each twice the weight of a German Shepherd, lead their family. They may travel up to 60 miles a day. Tracking down their prey is one thing, killing it is another. Adult bison weigh around a ton, and they have lethal horns and hooves. The wolf family lays siege. No need to do much. Keep them surrounded. Eventually, the wolves get under their skin. They must keep them on the run. He hounds the bison. He wears the young bison down. Dogs aren't equipped to make a clean kill. It changes the entire family's fortunes.